What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a pond fishing video or adventure. We're on the way to 40 subscribers, sorry. We have 35 right now, so let's get to 40. If you haven't already, go down, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Helps me out a lot. Let's get to 40. But this is going to be an awesome video. This intro is filmed after the video has already been filmed, mainly because I didn't know if I was going to post this video or not, but let's get into it. You get him? Oh. Yeah. Oh, got him. Well, would you quit it, boy? Nice one. Well, I say nice. He's okay. Not giant, but not tiny either. Singing song of the South, sweet potato pie, and I'll shut my mouth. You go with the wind, ain't nobody looking like us. Oh my gosh, that was like a 3-pounder. Dude, I just had like a 3-pounder come up to it and eat the bait, but spit it right back out. Yeah. Come on. Oh, got him. That's a big one. That's a big one. Yeah. That's why we fish, people. Yes. Yes. Dude, look at that. Holy crap. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Alright. I'm gonna let him get some water. Hope I don't accidentally lose him. It's a good fish. Definitely ain't no, absolute giant, but that's a good one. There. Did a couple pictures for the IG. Get a good release on this sucker. Oh. Oh, that's what I love doing. Oh. Huh? I don't know if that was a carp or a bass, because this pond has both. Oh, I thought I had him right there. Might have just been. Oh, oh, it's hung in a tree. Get out of there. All right. Whew. Okay. Whew. That was kind of crazy. Oh, got him. Another decent one. Eh, he ain't too big. Get up here, you little turd. Storm front pushing in. Oh, I already got a fish. Using treble hooks, so I'm letting him play. Just made the first cast with the lipless and turned the GoPro on, and there he was. Come on. Yeah, I know y'all are probably like, oh.
I just want everybody watching to know, Sammy be trying to make me look bad. He turned the camera off every time I catch a fish. I ain't caught nothing less than 18 pounds today, but you ain't seen none of them.
Hey.
Be trying to make me look bad. Watch this frog get out here.
Boom.
Sammy, we standing out here and it's about to be a storm with these lightning rods in our hands.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe if you get struck, I catch something.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, did you see that?
Yeah, I did.
That was, I don't know how big that fish was. Oh, oh, come on, come back for it. That right there was like probably a 3-pounder. Just caught that one right there on the lipless crankbait. He is hooked, was not coming off.
Decided he had to take a break for the rain, turn the camera off, and that's all it took.
Ooh.
Yeah, I seen that. We all right.
Mm-hmm. Come on, get out of there. I don't want to hook him. All right.
Check him out.
That's about a 2-pounder.
Good little fish. Let me get back in there and make some more.
Yeah.
Get another one. Let's see it. Well, get him in. I think I got one.
It's a darn catfish.
Ha ha ha! Get on that, son. Well, you got a fish. I can't even say that.
Yeah. Yeah,
I hear him hollering at you. All right, I'm gonna put this down, reel this fish in. They want that Diet Mountain Dew. I'm telling you.
Heck yeah.
Telling you.
Nice one. Nice one on the spinnerbait.
Get up out of there.
He hooked deep.
Just on top of the mouth. Might have to have him.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready to head out.
Alright.
Well, I mean, at least head to the truck. I don't know. This might let up.
Fish.
That's a pretty good one. Chunky thing.
Yeah. Check this out. I knew you hit it hard. I didn't know you hit it like that.
That's crazy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go down, hit the subscribe button, the like button. Like I said at the beginning of the video, we're on the way to 40 subscribers. We have 35 right now. Let's get to 40. So thanks for watching. Till next time, I'll see you.